Have you ever wondered how to effortlessly convert your Facebook friends into a dedicated community of followers? Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got a quick tip to share. I'll show you how to convert your Facebook friends into followers in 2024. No time to waste. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open your Facebook application. Spot those three horizontal lines at the top right corner? Click on them. Step 2. Click on Settings and Privacy. Navigate to Settings. Now, scroll down and find How People Find and Contact You. Click on it. One by one, click on the options listed and set them to Everyone. Let's make your profile more accessible. Go back and now, click on Posts. Opt for the first option and set it to Public. Your posts are ready to reach a wider audience. Now, go back again and check Stories. Ensure all the options here are set to Public or Everyone. Head over to Followers and Public Content. Verify that all options are set accordingly. And there you have it. Your Facebook friends are now converted into followers. It's as simple as that. Thanks for tuning in to today's quick tip. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.